Hey there, everybody. Welcome to Health Well. Did you know that MCT oil can be used as an excellent source of energy? MCT oil is a dietary supplement that contains MCT fats, and this MCT fat can be found in oil like coconut and palm kernel and dairy items. In case you're wondering about MCT, then allow us to explain. MCT stands for medium chain triglyceride. These molecules are smaller than those found in the majority of fats you consume that are in the form of LCTs or long-chain triglycerides. The smaller size of MCT makes them more digestible. Unlike longer-chain fatty acids, MCTs are transported directly to the liver, where they can be used as an immediate energy source or converted into ketones. Ketones can go from the bloodstream to the brain, providing us with an alternative energy source. A high content of medium-chain triglycerides can be found in MCT oil, which has various health benefits. Keep watching to learn all about the numerous benefits of MCT oil and how to add it to your regular diet. Number 1. Improves digestion. MCT oil can be used to aid digestion in people who are having difficulty digesting fats or those who are struggling with maintaining a steady source of optimal nutrient requirements. These digestive issues can occur due to a variety of reasons like medication, pancreatic issues, removal of part of the stomach, small bowel diseases, short bowel syndrome, and small bowel resection. MCT oil contains shorter chain triglycerides compared to long chain triglycerides. This makes it easier for the digestive system to break down and absorb MCT oil, which boosts calorie and nutrient intake and reduces the effort the digestive system has to exert to absorb the fat. Number 2. Weight loss booster. According to studies, MCT oil can be used by people looking to reduce their weight, and it can be used as a way to boost weight loss. There are several ways that MCT oil can increase weight loss. MCTs cause an increase in peptide YY and leptin, two hormones that assist in reducing appetite and improving the feeling of fullness. MCTs, when compared to LCTs, have fewer calories per gram, approximately 10%, with 8.4 calories per gram for MCTs, while LCTs have 9.2 calories per gram. MCTs, rather than being stored in the body as fat, are first used as energy since they are absorbed and digested faster than LCTs. As a result, they are an excellent weight loss supplement. MCTs, namely C10 and C8 chains, have been demonstrated in studies to improve the body's capacity in utilizing calories and fat. Additionally, studies have shown that a diet high in MCTs resulted in more usage of fat and greater weight loss as compared to an LCT-packed diet. Number 3. Reducing cholesterol levels in the body. You might be surprised to learn that cholesterol comes in both good and bad forms: low-density lipoprotein, which is also known as bad cholesterol, and high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol. LDL is harmful to your health. It accumulates in blood vessels and increases the chances of atherosclerosis and heart problems. While HDL is beneficial for the body, it removes other cholesterol from the body and is beneficial for heart health. MCT oil is a supplement that can be used to decrease the level of LDL cholesterol in the body. Not only does MCT decrease the levels of bad cholesterol in the blood, but it also has been shown to increase the levels of good cholesterol in the body. This reduces the chances of atherosclerosis or heart conditions from developing. Number 4. Reduces seizures. Seizures are characterized by brief abnormalities in muscular tone or movements that can result in stiffness, twitching, or limpness caused by unregulated electrical conduction between the cells of the brain, more commonly called neurons or nerve cells. Epilepsy is a condition that causes frequent seizures. People who suffer from seizures or epilepsy usually take medication to reduce seizures. Studies have shown that using MCT oil in your diet can benefit people who suffer from epilepsy. It can be used in conjunction with medication to boost the effects of prescription medication and reduce the number of seizures that people have to deal with. Number 5. Higher energy levels and better exercise results. Sometimes we need a boost to our energy levels, especially with how busy our lives are these days. Oftentimes, we want to exercise for longer than we usually do, but we find we simply do not have the energy to continue. In such situations, you wish to have something that would offer the perfect boost to your energy levels. MCT oil provides an easy and accessible solution to this problem. MCT oil serves as a source of energy, an alternative for glucose that preserves the body's glycogen stores. Studies show that consuming MCT oil can increase a person's energy levels and has been shown to boost your endurance during exercise. Other studies show that athletes who consume foods with MCTs rather than LCTs could endure longer periods of exercise that are high intensity. If you are finding this video useful and interesting, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It motivates us to produce high-quality content for you every week. Number 6. Controlling blood sugar levels or managing diabetes. In diabetes type 1 and 2, controlling the body's blood sugar is incredibly important to reduce the adverse effects that arise due to the damaging effects of high blood sugar. MCT oil can help to reduce blood sugar levels over time. It can also be used to increase insulin sensitivity for those dealing with type 2 diabetes. Some studies show that using MCT oil can reduce insulin resistance and decrease inflammation. Additionally, using MCT oil in your diet can mitigate the risk factors of diabetes, such as insulin resistance and obesity. Number 7. Minimizes heart disease risks. Many factors can increase a person's chances of developing heart disease. Some of these risk factors are high cholesterol levels, being overweight, and uncontrolled diabetes. By controlling or reducing these risk factors, you can decrease the chances of developing heart disease. As we have learned, MCT oil can be used to decrease the level of LDL or bad cholesterol in the body, while also increasing the levels of HDL or good cholesterol. MCT oil is also beneficial in regulating and reducing glucose levels in the blood, which helps control diabetes. Additionally, MCT oil can also increase insulin sensitivity. MCT oil can also be used to boost weight loss in the body. By reducing risk factors of developing heart disease such as diabetes, being overweight, and high cholesterol, you can decrease your chances of developing heart disease. Number 8. Improves brain function and memory. MCT oil is one way to provide the brain with a source of energy that is not glucose. When MCT is broken down, it is either converted to energy or ketones. Ketones are an energy source that is capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier. They are an alternative to glucose. According to studies regarding MCT oil and its benefits, it was found that using MCT oil can be beneficial for the brain's health and its functioning. Using MCT oil can boost the brain's memory, increase learning ability, and increase overall processing of the brain. Number 9. Improves symptoms of autism. Autism, also known as autism spectrum disorder or ASD, is a multifaceted developmental disease characterized by persistent difficulties in speech and nonverbal communication, restricted or repetitive activities, and social interactions. Each person's experience with autism and the intensity of their symptoms is unique. According to certain studies, using MCT oil can be beneficial in reducing the symptom of autism. When combined with a gluten-free and ketogenic diet, MCT oil can prove effective in reducing symptoms associated with autism-like difficulty in social interaction, communicating verbally or non-verbally, and repetitive activities. There is, however, a need for greater research into this benefit of MCT oil. Number 10. Preventing brain disorders. As we have just learned, MCT oil can be a great way to provide the brain with an alternative source of energy. It is also great in boosting the brain's overall functioning and in increasing our memory. Regarding the benefits of MCT oil on the brain, an important function is its ability to reduce or prevent brain diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. According to research, MCT oil can help prevent the development of Alzheimer's and dementia. Additionally, people with mild or moderate Alzheimer's can improve their brain learning abilities, memory, and overall brain processing using MCT oil. Now that we know all about the beneficial properties of this wonderful oil, we can begin to understand the best ways to use it in our daily lives. MCT oil can be used in several easy and accessible ways. Number 1. Use it on its own. One way to consume MCT oil is to take it directly, like how some people take apple cider vinegar. It is best to start with a small dose and work your way up. 1 teaspoon is the best starting dose, and 1 to 2 tablespoons are the recommended dosage. Number 2. Add it to drinks. Not everyone enjoys the taste of MCT oil, so adding it to your drinks can be a good way to get your required intake without the taste. It can be added to coffee. Simply add 1 tablespoon to your coffee with a teaspoon or tablespoon of ghee or butter, blend the mixture, and drink. Additionally, include MCT oil in a smoothie. Just add your required amount to the smoothie mixture, blend, and enjoy. Number 3. Add it to your snacks. MCT oil can be added to your snacks or meals. It can be baked into desserts or added to a salad as a salad dressing. Did you know any of these benefits of MCT oil? After this video, will you be adding MCT to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.